Here in my course navigation menu, you can see I've added a couple of links. These are sites that I'm going to have my students use pretty much all year long. So how convenient is it that they can just simply come over, click on it, and it takes them right to that site. In this video, I'd like to show you how to use the redirect tool. So I'm in a course right now, and I'm going to go down to Settings. Let's select Settings. And then with my menus up here at the top, I'm going to select Apps. We're going to scroll down to the redirect tool, and it's not labeled with a cool name. You're just going to have to recognize the blue arrow. There's the redirect tool. Let's select it. We are going to add an app. I'm going to name it Photos for Class. That's a good one to have. And I should have, oh, I clicked off of it, so be careful. There's the address. I'm going to force it open in a new tab, and I'm going to show it in course navigation. Let's add the app. Now when I go back to my modules or I refresh, we can see Photos for Class has been added now in the left-hand menu. If I want to go back to Settings, I can go to Navigation, I can move it around, I could get rid of it, whatever I need it to do.